begins its gentle flow. First drops falling soft and light, turning gray skies calm and right. Let the rhythm ease my mind. Rainy days are always kind. Steam rises from my cup of tea. Raindrops dance so quietly. Every note a gentle sigh. Underneath this rainy sky, first drops falling soft and light, turning gray skies calm and right. Let the rhythm ease my mind. Rainy days are always kind. First drops falling slow. First drops, let it flow. Rooftop lights and falling rain. City hums a soft refrain. Headphones on, the world slows down. Rain is dancing on the town. Rooftop rain, keep me still. Every drop a gentle thrill. Beats and rainfall side by side. Nowhere left I need to hide. Neon blur through misty air. Rhythm beats without a care. Puddles glow with city light. Rooftop rain into the night. Rooftop rain, keep me still. Every drop a gentle thrill. Beats and rain fall side by side. Nowhere left I need to hide. Rooftop rain, falling slow. Rooftop rain, let it flow. Wet pavement shining under lights. Reflections dance on rainy nights. My guitar hums a gentle tune. Underneath the silver moon. Wet pavement, soft and slow. Every step a quiet glow. Rain is falling, steady rhyme, washing clean this rainy time. Umbrella colors passing by. Gray clouds drifting through the sky. Puddles hold the streetlights gleam. Rain is is falling, steady rhyme, washing clean this rainy time. Wet pavement, shining slow. Wet pavement, let it flow. Gray afternoon and window light, saxophone hums soft and slight. Rain is tracing paths of glass, watching quiet hours pass. Gray afternoon, soft and slow, let the gentle rhythm flow. Nothing here to rush or chase, just this calm and quiet space. Coffee steam and city hum, rain keeps time with steady drum. Every note a soft embrace, gray clouds drifting out of place. Gray afternoon, soft and slow, let the gentle rhythm flow. Nothing here to rush or chase, just this calm and quiet space. Gray afternoon, fading slow. Gray afternoon, let it go. Neon signs are melting on the street. Puddles catch the colors at my feet. City lights are humming soft and low. Rain keeps falling, I don't wanna go. Glass and chrome are shining in the blue. Every window holds a scene of you. Traffic hums a slow and steady beat. Neon rain is falling on the street. Neon rain, washing all my worries down the drain. Dancing lights, painting colors through the wet midnight. Windshield wipers keep the rhythm true. Every drop reminds me of you. City never sleeps, and neither do I. Underneath this glowing sky. Neon rain, washing all my worries down the drain. Dancing lights, slow piano melody, soft rain underneath, and calm. Delicate keys drifting like drops on glass, fading piano notes, rain continuing softly, quiet drizzle. Nylon strings and quiet rain, soft bossa on the window pane, coffee steam and gray daylight, slow guitar to ease the night, palm leaves shiver in the breeze, raindrops falling in threes, gentle rhythm, easy sway, washing all my thoughts away. Rain on nylon, soft and slow, where the quiet melodies go. Let the bossa carry me underneath this gray calm sea. Humming low, a finger prick tune, colors fading into afternoon. Nothing rushed, nothing loud, just the rain and gentle sound. Rain on nylon, soft and slow, where the quiet melodies go. Let the bossa carry me underneath this gray calm sea. Yeah. Slow drizzle on the window ledge, soft groove sitting on the edge, warm keys humming underneath, every breath a slow release, velvet bass and mellow tone, rain outside but I'm not alone. City hums a quiet song. Right here is where I still belong. Slow drizzle, soft and low. Let the rhythm take it slow. Neo soul and evening light, holding on to this rain tonight. Fingers trace the foggy glass, watching all the moments pass. Nothing hurried, nothing tight, just the groove and gray daylight. Slow drizzle, soft and low. Slow drizzle, soft. Let the rhythm take it slow. Puddle songs along the street, splashing underneath my feet. Acoustic strings and gentle hum, waiting for the rain to come. Muddy boots and paper boats, rainy melodies and notes. Every drop a tiny sound, echoing along the ground. Puddle songs soft and true, singing every shade of blue. Simple strings and honest heart, this is where the rain and I won't part. Wooden porch and cloudy skies, watching all the ripples rise. Nothing fancy, nothing grand, just the rain and where I stand. Puddle songs soft and true, singing every shade of blue. Simple strings and honest heart, this is where the rain and I won't part.
Thunder low across the plain, grumbling underneath the rain. Slide guitar and heavy sigh, storm clouds rolling through the sky. Whiskey glass and dim saloon, rain keeps time to a bluesy tune. Every rumble, every roll matches something in my soul. Thunder low, rolling where the rivers flow. Heavy heart and heavy rain, singing out this old refrain. nothing left but this old song. Thunder rolling all night long. Thunder low, thunder low, rolling where the rivers flow. Heavy heart and heavy rain, singing out this old refrain.
Slow cello melody, deep resonant tone, bowed strings rising gently, quiet and still. Heavy clouds and downs to do beat, rain and bass in the same heartbeat, deep low end and muted horns. Storm keeps hum. Slow the tempo, let it come. Gray skies pressing on the glass, watching every storm cloud pass. Downtempo storm, heavy and slow. Deep bass rumbling down below. Rain and rhythm, dark and deep. Sounds that keep the city asleep. Muffled synths and distant boom, filling up this quiet room. Nothing rushed, nothing bright, just the storm and shallow light. Downtempo storm, heavy and slow. Deep bass rumbling down below. Rain and rhythm, dark and deep. Sounds that keep the city asleep. Midnight shower on the glass. Smoky jazz notes drifting past. Upright bass and brush drums play, washing all the noise away. Neon blur through misty streets. Saxophone and quiet beats. City sleeps beneath the rain. Jazz clubs humming soft refrain. Midnight shower, cool and slow, where the smoky rhythms go. Rain and jazz, a perfect blend. Let this quiet night not end. Piano notes like falling rain, tracing every window pane. Nothing loud, nothing rushed, just the city calm and hushed. Midnight shower, cool and slow, where the smoky rhythms go. Rain and jazz, a perfect blend. Let this quiet night not end.
rain falls on empty streets. Every drop a memory. I hear your voice inside the sound of raindrops falling to the ground. Soft rainfall, wash away all the words I couldn't say. Hold me closer through the gray. Let the rain take me away. City lights are blurred tonight. Through the window, dim and quiet light, I trace your name upon the glass, watching all these moments pass. Soft rainfall, wash away all the words I couldn't say. Hold me closer through the gray. Let the rain take me away. If I could hold this moment still beneath the clouds against my will, I'd stay here in the falling rain and never let you go again. Soft rainfall, wash away all the words I couldn't say. Hold me closer through the gray. Let the rain take me away.
Wet streets shine under amber light. Shadows move through the fog tonight. Echoes fade in the empty lane. Footsteps blur in the falling rain. Wet streets down these alleys low and slow, where the restless shadows go. Every drop of memory, wet streets keep their mystery. Wet streets, slow beat, rhythm of the city's heartbeat. Wet streets, cold and deep, secrets that the rain will keep. Paris in the rain, the streets recall every step we took beneath it all. Cafes glow like amber through the mist, ghosts of moments we could not resist. Il pleut sur Paris tonight, rainfall soft on the city light. Paris in the rain, mon amour, every drop of memory once more. Umbrella dance along the Seine, old melodies return again. Cobblestones reflect the evening glow, where the rain and heartache always flow. Il pleut sur Paris tonight, rain falls soft on the city light. Paris in the rain, mon amour, every drop of memory once more. Even when the sky is gray, Paris finds a way to turn the rain to poetry, a song for you and me. Il pleut sur Paris tonight, rain falls soft on the city light. Paris in the rain, mon amour, every drop of memory once more. Moonlight falls through silver rain, keys awaken soft refrain. Every note a falling tear, nocturne for the rain I hear. pale starlight. Let the nocturne carry me into stillness, into dream. Shadows drift across the keys, whispers carried on the breeze. Every pause a held breath sighs underneath the weeping skies. Play me the sound of the night, rain and piano, pale starlight. Let the nocturne carry me into stillness, into dream. No words are needed here, just the rain, so soft and clear. Let the silence speak for me. This is our nocturne, quietly. Play me the sound of the night, rain and piano, pale starlight. Let the nocturne carry me into stillness, into dream. The cafe lights begin to dim. Rain taps softly on the rim of cups we've left along the way. The last rain falls to end the day. Last rain of the day, washing all our words away. Close the door, turn the sign. Tomorrow waits, but this rain is mine. Chairs turned up, the tables clear. Only echoes linger here. The rain outside keeps time with me as I lock up quietly. Last rain of the day, washing all our words away. Close the door, turn the sign. Tomorrow waits, but this rain is mine. One more song before I go, softly, sweetly, calm and slow. The rain will wait for me to stay just a little while, just one more sun.